All right, guys. In today's video, I did a video the other day about a company called Land Gorilla, and they do basically construction progress reports. Um, so I just wanted to. And matter of fact, another company sent me a job just like that. See, Velocity REOs. I've given you this company before, and I'll show you the company shortly. What this company is, but Velocity REOs, this company that I'm doing today, and Land Gorilla perform these type of inspections. So, the reason why I say these are pretty easy, because basically you're just calculating percentages. You're essentially going to a location and checking the progress of each of work that's being done at the property, and then you're estimating what the completion rate is. So I'm gonna show you the form real quick that I'm doing today, and then we're going to head over to this house and check the percentages, check the progress of the work. All right, so this is my budget report. Basically, this is the report that I go based on to, check to see what kind of construction or what kind of work was being done at a particular property. As I get close up here, as you can see, this first line item, we're going to go line by line and walk the home and see what was done. All right. So line one says demolition. So meaning to clean out the bathrooms, the kitchen, the dumpster. So they gave details of what that demolition entailed. Number two is landscaping. I'm not going to go through all of these. I just wanted to give you an idea. But let's start with line one. Let's finish up with line one. Line one is the demolition part. All right. So we want to read that. And the original budget was 1,100. So we want to determine the percent previously completed and the current inspection completion rate. Now these are all zero, so I'm just going to assume, unless it's something different on my other form, I'm going to assume this is going to be the very first report. So I'm going to assume that everything is 0%. Nothing has been done to this property. All right. So when I get to the property, then I'm going to look at that line and see how much demolition was done. All right. And if all the demolition was done, I'm going to say it is 100%. That was just an example to really show you, basically what you be looking for when you go to a property, or what exactly you'll be doing when you go to a property with these type of inspections. They're progress reports, as simple as that. You just want to check the progress. So let's go over and head on over here to the job site, and let's get this thing done. Right now I am at the location. I'm actually down in the basement, so I just want to kind of run you through a couple of things real quick. I told you we got to go line by line, so I've already gone through some lines, but I'm going to start right here at number 6, where it says the carpeted, replacing the carpet in the basement, and if needed upstairs. So right now I'm in the basement. So what I'll be doing is, you see, there's no carpeted down. So that's pretty easy. So I'm gonna take a couple of pictures of that, and I'm gonna put 0% for no carpet, okay? Because the carpeting have not been done yet. Now, as you're in here, you wanna get pictures of the water heater, the electrical panel, each room. This is actually a bathroom, but it's unfinished. So you want to get a picture of each room in the house. I usually go through the process of getting all my standard pictures outside, and then come into the house, get all my standard pictures, and then go through all of my line items. Now, a very important note for outside: when you're taking your standard photos, you want to also take pictures of the roof and the front and rear yard along with the property photos. We are pretty much all done now, so we're going to head back upstairs and call it a day. That was just a short preview. So what you want to do is you want to go line by line on all of this stuff. So that's it. So let's go. So I'll finish up this video outside. So pretty much I'm all done here. I'm back in the car. So let me just run through this line item stuff real quick again with you. All right, as you can see, these are all my line items. As far as the demolition, I looked at the demolition line, and as you can see, it's concentrated in the bathroom and kitchen, so that's the rooms that I concentrated on. And right now, demolition is actually 100%, that I didn't write that down yet. So you want to look at landscaping, the maintenance of the lawn. I looked at the lawn, took pictures of it, and that is actually 0% as well. So, you know, I didn't write those numbers yet. Countertops, there was no countertops installed yet, so that was 0 as well. So again, they just started this project, so pretty much I'll probably end up coming back out here, or another inspector will come back out here to check the progress of additional work. As you can see, there's only a few things that's 100% completed, other than the one up there. But there's just a few things that is 100% completed. So more than likely, they're going to require another inspection. You're calculating your percentages. This one was pretty easy. It was pretty either 0 or 100. You know, there was no in between. So those were my numbers. But let's just say for the carpet, because I did show you the carpet part. Let's just say they did partial of the carpet in the basement. Let's just say it was approximately 50% completed. So then you would put down 50% completed based on the time that you were there as they were doing the work. So, you know, it's all about percentages and finding out how much work was actually completed to reach 100%. All right, so I really hope that made sense to you guys. I kind of had to chop this up into pieces, so that because I'm trying to film and teach you guys, and I'm dealing with, a client as well. So, I hope that made sense to you guys. And just so you know, this particular company that I did this for was CFSI. There are several other companies like Land Gorilla. Velocity does some orders that is similar. So, guys, if you know the basics on how to do this, this should be pretty easy to learn, pretty easy to get into. As long as you know how to do some basic math and you kind of have some general construction knowledge. All right, so guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this training video. All right.